Okay, in the game of Godot, we can have multiple things. Right now, if you follow along, by the way, if you like stumble upon my channel, this channel is all about game development, app development, all that funny stuff. Yeah, not funny stuff, it's like fun stuff. So yeah, you're watching a series of video, like one of the series of video about Godot, and we already make one single test flight. Okay, and we can make more things than that. So just to let you click this button, add a new thing, right? And then you can click like a 2D thing or 3D thing, all that. You can even like other nodes, and you can even select the customized node for it, and maybe they will be like a completely new to you. Because you know why node can be a thing. Yes, it can be a thing. Okay, so that's you know that's how Godot do. Okay, so we can like window node control all that. What I'm gonna do is to add a let's just you know, use the Godot icon. Okay, I don't want to like add more things, but by the way, I also got another channel called Learn Digital Art with William Jamie. Okay, so that channel, Learn Digital Art channel, I create a lot of like a hand-drawn animation, and that's exactly what I'm going to add in the game. It will be fun. It will be fun. So it's like a collaboration of me and me. Okay, and maybe just no 2D. Let's just click no 2D. You can find a lot of useful things in the no 2D. You can animate sprite 2D. We can get like a bones 2D, all that. Okay, and what I'm going to do is to find sprite 2D. Of course, you can just search it. That will be much quicker. Right now, I just want to show the like hierarchy of things. So you can like sprite 2D and create. We got sprite 2D. Okay, so there will be like a second scene. And of course, you can, you know, right now, sprite 2D's texture is empty. Okay, so you can like click and drag this, and hopefully it will work. Okay, if you look at here, you got this like a Godot at the 0, 0. Let me zoom it in for you. Okay, the Godot is like a 0, 0, and you can sort of move it. Okay, so W, move, and you can like drag it down here and right here. Okay, and of course, instead of just to run, because if you run it, it would be the default thing. You can run this thing, run this current thing. Command and R to run this specific thing. Of course, you have to like save it. So sprite 2D, yeah, that's a good name. Okay, and if you look at here, Godot, and we got this new sprite. And right now, this thing is different from the previous thing, which would be the test flight thing. Okay. So if you look at here, the test flight thing was something like this. Okay, so if you run the whole app, it will be something like this. And if you run this specific thing, you will be no remote debug. Okay, or Command R or Control R, depends on which operating system that you're using. It'll be something like this. Okay, as simple as that. Really, really simple. Okay, see you next video. Bye.